Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about world's top 5 construction equipment manufacturers in 2022. Before getting started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Rounding out the top 5 is US manufacturer John Deere with sales of $11+ billion. Their popular green machines have helped them move up one spot this year. Number 4. China holds approximately 24.2% share of Yellow Table revenues, so we shouldn't be surprised to see Sany return to the 4th position again in 2022, with revenues of $16+ billion. Continuing the tour around the world of manufacturers, XCMG from China sits number 3 on the Yellow Table again this year, with sales of $18+ billion. Number 2. With sales of $25 billion, Komatsu again retains its second place spot on the Yellow Table. And number 1. With over $32 billion in sales, Caterpillar continues to sit atop the Yellow Table standings. Congratulations! Thank you for watching.